This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see where you shared your live location on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Meta on WhatsApp has over 2 billion users worldwide. Among other useful features, the social messaging app offers live location that allows users to share their real-time location with others user for a specific amount of time. WhatsApp live location feature allows them to control whether and how long to share their live location, and they can stop sharing live location with other contacts at any time. But what if you want to see where you just shared your live location? How to see the contact list that you share your live location? So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. Now tap on privacy. You can scroll down. Under the groups option, there is an option live location. You can see there's a note sharing in three chats. You can tap on that. So here's the contact list that I've just shared my live location to them. And if you want to stop sharing from them all without you open their chats one by one, you can just stop all of this share live location at once. You can tap on stop sharing. You can just stop, and now all the share live location has been stopped. So that is how to see where you share your live location on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!